In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a review or testimonial section on your Squarespace website. Go to squarespace.com and log into your account. Then choose the website where you want to add the review section. On the left sidebar, click Pages. Select the page where you want to add the reviews or create a new one by clicking the plus icon. Select Blank Page to create a new page. You can rename the page to whatever you want. I'll go with Customer Reviews for this tutorial. To manually add reviews, click the Edit button at the top left of the page. Click on the Add Section button under Add Page Content. On the left panel, choose Testimonials, and then you can select a layout that you like for displaying the reviews. You can replace the placeholder text and images with your actual customer reviews and reviewer photos. To do this, click the Edit Content button on the right side of the screen, and then click the Content tab. From there, you can edit the page name as you wish. You can also replace each review and image individually. Use the Design tab to adjust the page style to your preferences, and click on Save once you are done. And that's it. You've now got a clean, eye-catching review section on your Squarespace site. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Squarespace tips. See you in the next one.